Welcome to Dragon Marine Systems and part 3 of this series on how to fit your panel and wiring harness to your boat. Firstly, fitting the panel. The pigtail is there to allow you to remove the panel should you need to for servicing or any other reason. Therefore, you need to fix the pigtail to the nearest bulkhead. Most customers find that plastic P-clips are the best way to fix the wiring on the back of the pigtail. You want to fix approximately 20 to 30 millimeters away from the 11-way block connector. It is best to feed the wiring harness from the engine to the panel. You'll find that the 11-way connector on the front of the wiring harness is the smallest, therefore it's easiest to route that through the boat. When routing the wiring harness, never pull on it. It should gently be fed from one hand to the other through the obstacles that you will find on your boat. Never feed the wiring harness through bilge water areas. Feed the wiring harness as high up as possible. Under the gunnel is often a very convenient place to fit your wiring harness. Make sure that the wiring harness is securely clipped. This should be clipped about every 30 centimeters. If you are passing your wiring harness through a bulkhead, remember to use a grommet. 2-inch armoured water pipe, flexible type, is often very good for using as a grommet for your wiring harness. Do not put tight bends into the wiring harness. Always use a gentle curve when you need to change direction. The conduit is flexible, the wiring inside much less so. Vertical sections of the loom will also need to be clipped so that they do not hang on the conduit above. The clips you use should be tight enough to hold the conduit, but not so tight that they crimp the conduit or put pressure on the wiring inside. Now connect up both sides of the 11-way plug and make sure that it is securely pushed home. Once that is done, finally clip up the second side of the 11-way plug to make sure that it's all secure and ready to go. Now we move on to part 3, where we connect the panel to the engine. Thank you for watching this video.